here at Osaka near the castle. Here is a very nice big park, and it's also like a matsuri because there are food stands. Yeah, so let's go.
We'll share.
What one you want?
We'll share.
It's hot. So now we're going to enter the real park, but there's many naked trees there. Yeah. So I think here is the entrance to the Rio Castle. Here. I don't think you guess it. Don't touch it.
Alex, I think she's afraid.
The tail is very... It entered the hood here.
Yeah.
So here we're in Osaka Park and we ordered hot dogs. And after that we're going to eat ice cream. Maybe Alex will also eat ice cream. Itadakimasu. So today we bought some ice cream, and so they're like small balls of ice cream, and when you keep them in your mouth they start to melt and it's very good taste. So I took what was it? Cheesecake with some cinnamon, and Alex took fruits. Alex, show it. Alex's are very colorful. Alex's can I try?
Where you at?
Alex's is kind of like sorbet. So here it's raining outside and it's very cold and we're eating ice cream. So, and here we're hiding under here. It's like a small barrier, and long time ago this was a museum. It was Osaka City's museum. So the thing which I like about the Osaka Castle is the shape. I like the shape of a shrine or a temple, and this is the same shape as the temple and shrines. Yeah, the Japanese ones. Yeah, and I also like the different golden parts and golden statues on them. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Yeah. Meanwhile, I'm so freezing here. So we're on our way home. So yeah, thanks for watching this movie. I hope you liked the castle and the park. So bye.